Are you struggling to find the perfect table saw that fits your small workshop without sacrificing power and precision? In today's video, we are exploring the best table saws for small workshops 2025, top 5 space-saving options. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, these compact yet powerful saws will maximize your workspace and efficiency. Check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Skil 8¼ portable table saw, a compact yet powerful solution designed for job site efficiency and small workshop versatility. This saw features legendary worm drive gearing, delivering maximum torque for ripping through dense materials with ease. Its precision rack and pinion system allows for smooth and accurate fence adjustments, ensuring precise cuts every time. Built for portability, its lightweight and compact footprint make it easy to transport while maintaining durability with an all-metal construction. With a 2 5/8" depth of cut and a 25" rip capacity, it can handle large sheet goods and cut through thick materials up to 3 times its size. The patented dual field motor is engineered to run cooler, allowing extended operation without overheating. Whether you are slicing through hardwood or making fine, detailed cuts, this saw offers exceptional performance without compromising on power. It is an ideal choice for professionals and hobbyists looking for a durable and high-performance table saw that does not take up too much space. At number 4, the Skil 10" heavy-duty table saw stands out as a powerhouse built for demanding cutting tasks. Featuring legendary worm drive gearing, this saw delivers superior torque, allowing for a deep 3 5/8" cut and an impressive 30½ rip capacity. It effortlessly tears through plywood and slices for X materials with precision. The precision rack and pinion fence system enables smooth and quick adjustments, ensuring every cut is accurate. Designed for durability and ease of use, its rugged rolling stand comes equipped with 16" wheels and easy load handles, making transportation over rough terrain and stairs a breeze. The patented dual field motor is engineered to stay cooler, enabling extended operation without performance drops. A built-in dust port elbow helps contain debris for easier cleanup, while outfeed and left support extensions allow a single user to handle larger cuts efficiently. With a 15-amp motor delivering 5,000 no-load RPM, this saw provides the power needed for professional-level results in a compact, transportable design. Whether for job sites or small workshops, it ensures reliable, heavy-duty performance with seamless mobility. Taking the 3rd spot is the Dewalt portable Jobsite table saw, a compact yet high-performance tool designed for professionals who need power and precision in a portable package. With a 24.5" rip capacity, it can easily handle large 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets, making it a versatile choice for various cutting applications. The rack and pinion telescoping fence rails ensure fast, smooth, and accurate adjustments, allowing for precision cuts every time. Designed for job site durability, it features a sturdy metal roll cage base that provides stability and protects against tough working conditions. One of its standout features is the onboard storage system, which neatly houses the blade guard assembly, non-through cut riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, blade change wrenches, miter gauge, and push stick, keeping essential accessories within easy reach. The Site Pro modular guarding system allows for quick, tool-free adjustments, enhancing user convenience. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor running at 5,800 RPM, it delivers the cutting strength needed for demanding tasks while preventing accidental restarts with its power loss reset function. Its compact size ensures effortless transportation and storage, making it an excellent option for small workshops where space is limited but performance is a priority. Whether cutting sheet goods or fine woodworking, this table saw offers a perfect blend of power, precision, and portability. Next on our list is the Skil 10" portable table saw, a versatile and high-powered tool designed for convenience and precision. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, it effortlessly rips through hardwoods while maintaining smooth, accurate cuts. The rack and pinion fence rails ensure the fence stays parallel to the blade, allowing for fast and precise adjustments. One of its standout features is the integrated folding stand, which makes transportation and storage incredibly convenient by allowing the legs to fold seamlessly. The The table saw's 4x4 cutting capacity enables material cutting up to 4 inches thick at a 90-degree angle, making it ideal for larger projects. With a bevel capacity ranging from 2 to 47 degrees and quick-release lever adjustments at 0 and 45 degrees, it offers flexible cutting options for various woodworking tasks. Its parallel blade alignment system ensures accurate blade adjustments along the rip fence and miter slot, further enhancing cutting precision. The dust port elbow directs sawdust into a container for easy cleanup, keeping your workspace tidy. The coated cast aluminum tabletop provides a smooth surface for effortless material handling, and the included 10-inch 24-tooth carbide blade is ready for a variety of applications. Designed for Jobsite durability, it also includes a safety anti-restart switch to prevent accidental startups after power interruptions. With a 25.5-inch rip capacity and the ability to support an 8-inch dado blade set with a dado insert, this table saw delivers professional-grade performance in a compact and portable package. Whether you are working in a small workshop or moving between job sites, this saw offers exceptional accuracy, power, and convenience. At the top of our list is the Dewalt 10-inch table saw, is a powerhouse designed for precision, portability, and durability. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, it rips through hardwoods effortlessly, making it an excellent choice for professional and serious hobbyist woodworkers. The rack and pinion telescoping fence system ensures fast, smooth, and accurate fence adjustments, allowing users to handle large shelving and trim materials with ease. With a generous 32.5-inch rip capacity, it accommodates sizable workpieces while also featuring a patented material support system for narrow rip cuts. The telescoping fence rails retract, transforming this powerful saw into a compact, portable unit. A rolling stand with large, heavy-duty wheels ensures excellent stability and easy maneuverability over steps, curbs, and rough job site terrain. Its 3 1/8-inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 inches at 45 degrees allow for deep, precise cuts, making it versatile for various applications. A flip-over ripping fence offers additional support for narrow cuts, and the onboard storage system provides easy access to the blade guard, fence, riving knife, miter gauge, wrenches, push stick, and cord wrap. The 2.5-inch dust collection port efficiently connects to a vacuum, keeping the workspace clean with minimal effort. The sturdy 26.25 x 22-inch table provides ample material support, enhancing stability and accuracy. Whether you are a cabinet installer, trim carpenter, remodeler, or serious woodworker, this table saw handles everything from sheet goods and framing lumber to dados, rabbets, and mortise and tenon joints. With its combination of high performance, portability, and thoughtful design, the Dewalt 10-inch table saw is a reliable addition to any workshop.